In this video, I'll show you how to create an effect where the screen shuts down like a phone being switched off, giving your video a clean and dramatic visual finish. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip on the timeline. This effect can be used at the beginning or end, but it's especially effective as a closing moment. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab if you're using it as an intro, or keep it here to preview how the shutdown motion behaves. Scroll through the animation list until you find Shutdown toggle, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the screen closes inward in a phone-style shutdown motion, creating a sharp and modern visual. Use the duration slider to control how fast the shutdown happens. A shorter duration makes it quick and snappy. A longer duration makes it feel more dramatic and deliberate. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so it fits smoothly with your edit. And that's it. You've successfully added a phone shutdown toggle effect in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.